keeps turning. The world keeps turning. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana Marie, and I am back with another video. So as you read by the title up above, we are going to be doing a get ready with me for New Year's. So happy New Year's to you if you guys are seeing this in 2024 already. If not, and it's still 2023, then happy New Year still. So in this video, I did my hair, I did my makeup, I showed you guys my outfit, of course, the whole shebang. Yeah, I just wanted to do something, you know, New Year's related, but I'm not gonna ramble too much. If you are looking for some sort of hairstyle to do, I was actually gonna do an updo, but I felt like with this, it just had to. If you were looking for something quick and easy that you can do, and baby, I ain't do makeup and I don't know how long, so basically do some makeup on my face, and I feel like I look like Princess Tiana. It's very much Princess and the Frog. Can't tell me this ain't my hair neither. Like, this is growing from my scalp, the body, yada yada yada, whatever. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe if you have not joined the family already, and I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so I'm starting off by sectioning my hair so that I can install my clip-ins. I'm doing a side part, of course, so that it's just easier to hide my clip-ins. My hair isn't as straight as I would prefer for it to be, so I thought that I would use that to my advantage in regards to the volume and waviness of my hair. So right here, you're just gonna see me installing all of my clip-ins until I get to the front piece. When I do get to the front piece, I switch directions and start putting them sideways, like on this, like by the side of my ear, and moving up until I feel like they're all put in a good place for me to start wand curling. I'm going to see my husband. I'm on the way to see my husband. I'm happy. I'm happy. Oh yeah, baby, I'm finna look like some. Let me find out I know how to do hair. Okay, so I recently got an Ipsy box or a Boxy Charm. I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I started off on my face with this hyaluronic acid by Odysite. I believe that's how it's pronounced. I'll have everything linked in the description bar for you guys. So Yeah, I was definitely feeling the little rejuvenation with the serum. And then of course we went in with our Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Like I said, I'll have everything linked in the description for you guys, but you know your eyebrows frame your face, so of course I started with that. And then I went with some foundation by Tarte, blended that out, let my concealer set under my eyes for a little bit, just for it to get to the point where I can blend it out like this. I feel like the concealer was a little bit too light, but it is what it is. Like my hair, everything was kind of like last minute. I just wanted to see if I could put a look together for you guys, and I did just that. But I just set everything underneath my eyes so that I could have an easy transition for my eyeshadow, which I also got in my in my BoxyCharm. It's called Il Maquillage. And I did something subtle, sorta, kinda, with the eyeshadow look. I just wanted to make sure that it still like stood out, but it was subtle, just in case, because I honestly didn't know which dress I was going to wear for this video. But I kind of just said, you know, whatever, and picked my favorite, which is the green one that you saw at the beginning of this video. And yeah, I just continue to blend everything out with the eyeshadow, the usual 1-2 spill, and continue to build everything on top of each other so that it can seem more flawless and seamless, so that it's not just all over the place. Look, I'm rambling at this point. Maybe y'all could see what I did in the video. Just get ready with me, okay?
I knew you too. And just as the morning you were too shy, but you weren't the only, so was I. And I dreamed that you never did. Now I build up my confidence, and next time you come my way, I know just what to say. And we don't
I hope everybody has a blessed and safe new year. Get everything that you are wishing and hoping for, that you get and you receive, and that God continues to bless and protect you. So that's all for this video. I really want to thank you guys for watching. If you've been with me thus far, then thank you for sticking with me. If you're new here and you just found my video, then go ahead and subscribe, because we got quality content coming every week. So stay on the lookout for that. And I hope that everybody has a blessed and safe holiday season with loved ones, family, friends, whoever you with. Even if you by yourself and you thugging it dolo, of course I'd get a call. Bye.